Hello, planet Earth. I am doing a little garden update right here. First, I'm going to talk about this lily which has bloomed. It's only going to bloom this year, and it has just started. Let's see the whole garden. You can see I've now mulched everywhere, all around, and it's looking really professional. Let's look back here. We got begonias. There's little dianthus flowers planted amongst them. You can see I got this pin cushion flower. It's a scabiosa right here. You can sort of see the little blue blooms on it. Got some exotic little plants growing here. I forget the name of this one, but it takes full sun. It's got little purple flowers. And moving right along, we've got more lilies that bloomed. These just bloomed today. I came outside, that's why I'm doing this video. So, look at that. Just simply perfect. And moving this way, I've got a gazania right here. I learned that they're from the south of Africa, the southern part of the African continent. And these like open up in the day and then close at night. You see one still kind of not open yet, or it's already closed. It's about 5 o'clock right now. Got some marigolds right there, right here. And I got a lantana, big old lantana, which is doing pretty well. Little yellow flowers on it. And I still have the roses doing well. I got the pink roses, and the red drift roses. And back there, the peach drift roses. And you can see on the fence, we got some grapes growing. And just taking in the whole thing, it looks really nice. It's about 88 degrees today. It's like really our first super hot day. I think they said we might have set a record today because it's still June. Let's look at the purple leaf plum plant. Doing well right here. You can see the bridge in the background. So that's cool. As usual, the bar is open. Got a little bit of Tanqueray and some tonic water for later. There's a little rose bush in the front here, and it's in between blooms right now. It's called a sunblaze rose. So yeah, I'm really pleased with my results right now. So there's thyme, and then I've also got sage and rosemary. And back there, I have parsley growing, like a few of them. So, right here, this tomato plant is doing really well. And then I have some petunias back here, which are doing great. This mulch has really improved everything this year. It kept everything growing. It's hard to see the flowers on it. It's like a little black cherry flower. It's kind of pointing the wrong way, but those are really splendid. And then I got the hot peppers growing back here. There's even a little pepper on one of them. You might be able to see. But those are the hot peppers. Everything's doing really well. It's very green this year. Let's kind of see a lot of that. Right now the sun's hitting right here in this part of the garden. Evening sun going down. Pink roses, more lilies. Let's try to get a whole effect shot. So yeah, if you're just chilling here, this is what it kind of looks like. And it's fun, actually. I get a lot of enjoyment just sitting here and watching all this. See that giant tree. Last video I said it was like 4 stories high. That's like 10 stories high. That's like 2 yards over. It is just a massive tree. And this mulberry tree has just been doing lots and lots of mulberries all over the whole place. You can see like on this little table, these are the mulberries. So the purple ones are ripe. I made tea once out of them, but it wasn't very good. So it's kind of funny. And I do have beans growing on this fence over here. So yeah, those are about ready to pick. Anyway, this peace rose bloomed last week, and the blooms went pretty quick, but it's gonna, reload and bloom later. So that's about it. It's really nice garden this year. Just can't say how pleased I am with my efforts. And oh yeah, I got these little Hawaii blue flowers. I forget what they're called. They're in the Verbena family, I think, something like that. Verbena. So, and the cabbage back there is doing really well. That's red cabbage growing. So, got a little dill right there. Yeah, pretty groovy, right? So, just wanted to kind of share this with everybody. So the garden of 2018 is probably the best one I've ever done. Let's look at this purple leaf plum plant. It's turned, it's got purple highlights, but it turns kind of greenish in the heat of the summer. But it's been about 8 weeks since I planted that, so it's 7 weeks maybe. It's been really, really good. So you see the traffic in the background on the bridge. Yeah. It's getting bigger and bigger. So, yeah, that's about it. I'll kick up my feet. This is how I sit. I got my table right here and stuff. Little coffee. And this is just fun to look at. And it's nothing but, green, and these are all the backyards connecting between the avenues, so it's basically a forest if you look straight ahead here. Oh, let's look at the grapes. There are some grapes growing. They're very small, but you can see them. Let's see here. I don't know if the lighting is good enough to see this. But right here, these are the grapes off these grapevines. So those are little baby grapes growing, and there's actually bunches of them all over my little trellis here. You can see it's getting pretty green. Never a dull moment. See all the trees surrounding this. Yeah, and this trellis is doing really well with the grapes. There's a lot more grapes in there, but I can't really see from the light right now. Even the purple leaf plum plant's hard to see just from the lighting right now. Little angle of the sun and everything. The scabiosa doing pretty well. So that's about it for today. And thanks for listening. I hope everybody has a good day. Today was Monday, June 18th. All right, see you later.